Oh, that was close. All right, let's see if I can find my arrow. The arrows I'm using have a blunt tip on them. The blunt tip will hit the ptarmigan and kill it without destroying all the meat. You know what they say, even a blind pig can find an acorn every once in a while. There's a bunch more right here. See the wing prints right there? See where they flew off? Oh, I stink at this, but it sure is fun. Well, that one's super chill. I'm gonna gut my ptarmigan real quick. Just got my ptarmigan tied to the roof. Now I should keep it nice and cold on my drive home. Burned a lot of gas, lost a few arrows, but I got a ptarmigan for dinner.